All right, so that's about it, guys. We're gonna clean this up and save some money. All right, if you got a fridge and you want to maintain it and make sure it doesn't break down for some stupid reason because you didn't maintain it, it's like getting an oil change on a car. Get your air compressor. If you don't have one, just use a vacuum. Do what you can. Check this out. I just pulled this out. Look at the dust here. You should be doing this at least once a year. I think I've taken 2 or 3 years, but we're going to get to the back. I'm going to get an air compressor. We're going to go back here. We're going to blow out all the dust on the condenser. Get an air compressor. Go back here. You're going to have to remove this cage if you have an LG style fridge to get to the condenser. I could already see from here that it's disgusting and it's all clogged. But it's going to take a Phillips screwdriver about 6 weeks. I probably haven't done this in 5 years, just so you guys know. I'm not trying to lie. Disgusting. I got to clean the heck out of this thing. Here we go. Got a vacuum. Check this out, guys. It's totally clogged. Got a screwdriver here. I'm going to clean this mesh. I'll use a vacuum for everything that I can use a vacuum with, and then I'll blow it out where the vacuum can't get those things. So 2 screws. Every fridge is probably similar to the same. Just get to the condenser. If you guys don't know what a condenser is, get here, flip this thing up. Hold on a second. Oh man, look at that, guys. Glad I made this video. I'm gonna help a lot of people fix their fridge. If I got 100 views, that means I helped 100 people maintain an extra 4 or 5 years out of their fridge. This is crazy. All right, so that's about it, guys. We're gonna clean this up and save some money. Hit that like button. That's all I ask. You don't gotta subscribe to me or nothing.